If you've lost access to your Intesa Sanpaolo account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Intesa Sanpaolo website. Go to the official Intesa Sanpaolo website. Look for the login section and find the option for account recovery or forgot password. Step 2. Select recovery options. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach requests 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve entering your email address associated with the account or answering security questions that you set up previously. Step 4. Check your email. If you selected email recovery, check your inbox for a recovery email from Intesa Sanpaolo. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password or regain access to your account. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you are unable to recover your account through the online methods, reach out to Intesa Sanpaolo's customer support. Provide them with the necessary information to verify your identity and request assistance in recovering your account. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Intesa Sanpaolo account without the need for your phone number. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.